on, guys? So pretty excited about today. Today is the big day. We are heading over to JDM Engineering over in Freehold, and we are going to be doing the muffler bypass mod. So basically it's a little piece of pipe that is welded in from the driver's side over axle to the driver's side tailpipe, so that when the exhaust valve is open, most of the exhaust will bypass the muffler, making the pops a lot more distinct and louder and giving the car an overall deeper tone. So I already have the exhaust valve delete module, so my valve stays open all the time. So I think it will definitely sound good and be similar to a muffler delete, but not as loud or obnoxious and not as much drone. So we're gonna make our way over to JDM. We're gonna get this put on and we're gonna see how it sounds.